This is a quick video to go over the basics of integrating Facebook lead ad forms with ActiveDEMAND. So the idea is you set up your Facebook ads, and the call to action for the Facebook ads is the Facebook lead form. So you create your lead form in Facebook, and then the idea is when somebody fills out that form, we want to post that data automatically into an ActiveDEMAND form. So the first step is to go into your account settings, administration account settings, go to social media, add social media, set up your Facebook connection to from ActiveDEMAND to Facebook. Once you've accepted the connection with OAuth, this will show you your Facebook ad account ID. And then here's your Facebook page. I'm just going to save. Now, if I scroll down to the Facebook section, you'll see there is a Facebook lead ads tab here. So what we're going to do is create a new mapping between the existing Facebook lead ads form and an ActiveDEMAND form. So what I've done is I went to Assets, Web Forms. I've created a new form in ActiveDEMAND to accept the posts from the Facebook conversions. And in here, I've set up my fields to mirror the fields that I have in my Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to go here, create a new mapping between the two. And so this is a Facebook lead form example. There's email. This is the form fields in Facebook lead ads form. And I'm going to select one here, which is my Facebook lead ad form. And now once I've made the selection, I'll choose my fields. This one's email, this one's full name, and then that is it. So now basically whenever somebody posts a conversion or fills out this specific Facebook lead ad form, it's going to post the form to the ActiveDEMAND lead ad forms, and I should say the ActiveDEMAND form, and of course fire their autoresponder, etc. So that's it. It's pretty basic.